Feby, di TikTok kok ngomongin pitch trading mulu sih? Pitch trading apaan? Nggak tahu deh. Pitch trading bukan yang itu ya, yang buat exchange of commodities gitu. Is it a game? I don't know, nggak pernah denger aku. Apa ya? Nggak tahu.
Guys, kalian lagi ngomongin pitch trading ya?
Iya, Miss.
Wah, kebetulan banget nih dari Nottingham University nanti datang ke sini. Mau ngajarin kita pitch trading.
Oh gitu?
Iya.
Kapan, Miss?
Nanti period 7.
Oke, Miss. Jangan lupa ngajak kok, Miss.
Pastilah, Miss ajak kalian. Bye, Miss pergi dulu ya.
My name is Rasyad Parinduri. I'm an associate professor at the School of Economics, University of Nottingham Malaysia. I'm here to deliver a workshop for high schoolers at Stellamarian International School, Serpong, in which we played a fast-paced, exciting card trading game from which students can learn one thing or two about economics. And on top of that, we also did a group discussion that I think would illustrate to students the power of economic thinking.
My name is Alvan and I'm a grade 11 earnest student of Stellamarian. This workshop was really fun for me. I was really able to understand what economists and what stock trading, or specifically commodities trading was, where we played in the pit game. It showed the true chaotic, hectic and random nature of economics, and it was really eye-opening for me.
Hi, my name is Khalid from grade 11 in F1. So today I was provided a workshop by the University of Nottingham Malaysia, where they explain and simulate how the commodity market works, and me and my classmates as the participants were tasked to know how to dominate a commodity market and understand how it works and the essence of money.